road, on the street, the sidewalk, the grass, the dirt, inside, outside. I've taken this thing to the track, to Daytona Beach Bike Week, Gatlinburg, Chattanooga. So you might be wondering what I'm talking about. So I'm going to show you. And I'm not going to bore you with an unboxing video. I'll just show you 1 second or 2-3 seconds of this unboxing. I am riding the Ausom L2 scooter. Look at this. We put it together in Knoxville. I've been running around Daytona on this. People have been liking this scooter. Everybody wants to ride it. I let them ride it. It is an awesome scooter. Oh, I got a headlight. I forgot about that. Let's see here. Where's the headlight on this thing? Do I hold that down? Yes. Look at that. It's a headlight. Look at the turn signals. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun. Oh my goodness, this thing is way too fast. I like this, guys. This thing is super fast, it's super fun. All right guys, so now we are in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and I am on the Ausom L2 scooter. This is the perfect town to get around on this scooter. I've used this scooter in different ways. I was at the racetrack, I've been to Bike Week with it, and now, okay, so how we got to go across here. Let's go this way. Now we're about to go across the bridge, downtown Chattanooga. Beautiful day. If you've never been to Chattanooga before, this is a great way to do it. Now I have it in single motor mode, but I got it in sport mode. If I change this thing to dual mode, it will be super fast. So I'll leave it in this because I want the battery to last a lot longer. So Knoxville has a downtown, but Chattanooga's downtown is a lot bigger. I like it too, you know what I mean? It's like a cool place to hang out. Oh. Sometimes we do ride the motorcycles down here. We haven't done that in a while, but we're gonna have to. But this allows you to get into more places like on the sidewalks and stuff like that. Look at this, guys. This is kind of like in Knoxville, we have something called Graffiti Alley, and this is pretty much the same thing. The road is a little rough right here, but I'm glad I got this full suspension. It takes a lot of those bumps out of the equation. I'm trying to find the Chattanooga Choo-Choo. So now we're on the right path going towards the Chattanooga Choo-Choo. Hopefully. The Chattanooga Choo-Choo is right there. There's trains over there, train cars and all that. Only reason why we didn't go over there, there's a huge concert, a whole lot of stuff going on. But we're gonna go back over that way, ride down the Riverwalk a little bit. This is the riverfront, Chattanooga. I figured I'd bring the L2 scooter and ride down the strip of Pigeon Forge. If you've never been to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, it's a huge vacation spot. where there's sidewalks all up and down this probably 5-mile stretch of road. And who's walking when you can have the scooter? I've been all kind of places with this scooter. If I were to walk this, it would probably take me at least 40 minutes to get down that way, and about, well, 40 minutes to get down there and 40 minutes to get back. We can cover the whole span of this strip in about 10 minutes. It has echo right here, and then you go to the next one, hit the button right there, sport, and then you got race mode. And here is your dual motor right there that turns on both motors. And you don't want to do that, I'm telling you. Well, you do want to do it, but not all the time because it's super sensitive, super fast. I'm 6'6", and this thing is pretty big. It's a really big scooter. Definitely good for an adult. You even have a USB charger right here, Type C, and a regular USB. You have a little hook right here to hook a bag on. You even have a horn. Hey, let's look at these cars over here. That is beautiful. Is it for sale? What do you want for it? Look at that car too. That is clean. Well, and then look at this Impala over here. Man, that's nice. Good thing about this too, I can take it to the car show, get around, see what they got, and there's a lot of walking involved when you come up here. 55 Bel Air. That is a beautiful car. All right, let's keep on rolling. Hey, what kind of donut you want?
Chocolate sprinkles.
We literally just rode like 2 miles down the road further. We're gonna get these donuts. I want a glazed one, like the hottest one that you have. And then let me get a chocolate glazed sprinkles, this one right here. Put it in slow mode for you. That's the gas, that's the back brake, that's the front brake on this side. You can put them in the back of your pickup truck, you can put them in your camper, your hatchback car, whatever. When you're going to an event and you don't want to walk, and you need to cover a lot of ground, it's always cool to have one of these things with you, especially on vacation when I'm going camping. And my nephews, they loved it when we were in Daytona. They rode the thing 30 miles. We were just sitting there at the bike show and they literally rode it 30 miles around Daytona in like a half-mile circle, just continuously riding this thing around. They had a blast with it. So I recommend don't get one. If you really want to have a lot of fun, you definitely need two. All right, guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. Don't forget to visit the link in the description below. See you on Two Wheels. Thanks again for watching. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.